Hello, it's another beautiful day in South Florida. This is Alex from Uncut Travel, and I woke up with a mission today. I wanted to shoot some incredible video of Miami with my drone, and it's a 4K video, so I'm going to show you South Beach, of course, and downtown Miami and Brickell, which are, I think, the hottest areas to look at in drone video and from the air. So I hope you're going to enjoy it. It's a short video, but I think I'm going to give you some really nice shots. I hope you enjoy it. Watch till the end. The end is going to be the best, and hopefully you like it, and subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Enjoy the video. All right, taking off here in South Beach, and you have Ocean Drive right in front of you. There's a park, and this is where all the restaurants are, and where everything is happening, hotels. This is the fun place. So this is South Beach for you, and you have downtown Miami and Brickell right behind South Beach, if you can see it over there in the distance. This is the fantastic Fontainebleau Hotel. I love this pool and the layout of this hotel. It's just, it's famous. It's been around forever. Of course, it's been refurbished, but look at this pool area. Isn't this phenomenal? Check this out. This is another very exclusive area. This is called Bell Harbor, and you have the St. Regis Hotel here, the Ritz-Carlton, and of course the Bell Harbor shops that you can go and buy all your beautiful Gucci and Armani and Versace and Prada outfits and purses and shoes. Great area, very clean, very upscale. You'll love it. flying the drone over Sunny Isles now. It's very residential up here. It's all the way in the north of Miami, right on the border of Aventura, and then it goes to Broward County. So this is a very residential area, very quiet, very, very nice, very clean. So if you want some peace and relaxation and just have a nice beach up here, you can always come up to Sunny Isles. Look at this magnificent side of downtown. It's incredible, and this bridge over there leads to the port of Miami, and you see the inlet that goes out to the ocean towards the left. Taking the drone over Brickell now. Brickell is our financial area of Miami, and you will find a lot of shopping here, but it's also a lot of offices, and during the week it's quite busy here with the locals going everywhere. So if you want to visit Brickell, I suggest you come here on the weekend and go shopping and restaurants, great nightlife as well. I wanted to show you Miami in the early morning hours when the sun is really not up and bright yet. It's a totally different look that you will see in Miami. Check out this flyover here, and it's a totally different color scheme. I think it's pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you soon in the next video.